So my research question is, how is the mortality rate of COVID-19 affected by pre-existing ailments? By Katherine. So this is my abstract, and my abstract includes the introduction and my method of researching and the result. So in this research, I basically focus on six main researches, and I use the six main research are like pre-existing studies from other scientists, and I lay out my literature review from this sixth research. And the underlying portion, like after the in conclusion, is my results, and I will come back to that later. So main points for literature review. So I basically did three big categories for my literature review. The first one is COVID-19 and pulmonary thrombi formation. And the second one is ailments and pulmonary embolism. And the third one is relationship between the dimer level and the formation of pulmonary thrombi. So for the first one, basically, is that the mortality rate is higher for COVID-19 patient with pulmonary thrombi than patients from other general influenza. And the second one basically summarized about who is more likely to get pulmonary embolism. And the third one is that D-dimer level, like to a certain level, when D-dimer level is high, people can have like a pulmonary embolism in their lung. So since I learned results, so the first is results, right? Okay, so there are three results. One is the pulmonary thrombosis results in a significant higher death rate in COVID-19 patient compared to other seasonal and general influenza. And the mortality rate of patient with COVID-19 and pulmonary thrombosis is higher than the mortality rate of patient with only pulmonary thrombosis. Pulmonary thrombosis is not the only killer when COVID patient dies from the illness. And since I learned from the process of doing research, is how to cite in-text citation when there's multiple authors for one article, and how to write a literature review, a good literature review. For challenges I faced, so I had a hard time to decide my research topic because I want my topic to focus around pathology and autopsy in COVID-19 first, because that's the thing I was interested in. But when I was researching like articles to use for my research, but I figured out it was hard, so I decided to change my topic to how is the mortality rate of COVID-19 affected by pre-existing ailments. And because this shifting research topic, I had to find other scholarly articles to use, and it took a while for me to find those good articles. Thank you for watching.